Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can fix the issue when you cannot connect Sony WF-C710N into your device. Phone, PC, tablet, doesn't actually matter. So first of all, be sure that you properly insert both earbuds inside the charging case, like so. And also that you have opened the charging case and that you have enough battery to boot them into the pairing mode. So on the back you can find the USB-C input for charging cable. And now when this indicator lights up, it means that your device is charging. It will be enough to charge them for like 5 minutes. It will be enough. You will just recharge the case and the earbuds a little bit. And now you have to just click and hold this button that is located on the back. And first of all, we have to check if this indicator starts blinking blue after a few moments. There we go. Now you can release that button. You don't have to hold it anymore, but keep that case open with both earbuds inside. And on your device, you can also simply, turn on and off the Bluetooth by using the switcher if you have one in the settings, and enter for a Bluetooth pairing. And then simply try to select them from the list. If it is not working and you have still got some kind of the issue, then simply try to keep that case open with the both earbuds inside. But now we are gonna hold that button a little bit longer. So click and hold it right now. And first of all, this indicator will disappear, but now it will turn back into the blue color. And we have to keep holding all the time. Then it will disappear again. And we have to just wait. It will take probably 20 seconds until it will start blinking orange and then disappear. So just be patient and wait for it. There we go. Keep holding all the time. And now when this indicator disappears, you can finally release that button. And then you can just close the case, open it one more time, and now click and hold this back button again and wait until it starts blinking blue. So it will also take a few seconds. Now we can release and simply try to pair them one more time. But let's say that it's still not working. So sometimes the issue is not with your earbuds, but with your device. So in this case, I will highly recommend you to perform a reset of the settings. So in my case, I have to search for something related to the reset. And in my phone, I can find reset options right here. And just try to reset the Bluetooth settings on your phone. And yeah, this is basically it. This is all tips that I can give you about fixing this issue on this device.